Hi guys, it's Simon C. Welcome to this new AI radar. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman has been engaging with UAE investors and others to secure from $5 trillion to $7 trillion to boost global chip production for artificial intelligence. By building more silicon chip factories, Altman wants to overcome OpenAI's growth barriers, including the shortage of AI chips for training models. Altman has proposed a partnership among OpenAI investors, chip manufacturers, and power suppliers to fund and build chip foundries, which chip makers would operate. OpenAI would commit to being a major client for the newly built factories. The largely debt-financed project is in early talks, may take years, and is not guaranteed to succeed. Altman shared on X that OpenAI believes that world needs more AI infrastructure, including fab capacity, energy, and data centers, than what is currently being planned. As for its responsibility AI branch, OpenAI also adds C2PA watermarks to images created with DALL-E 3. Images created within ChatGPT or via the company's API will now include a signature indicating they were generated by its DALL-E 3 model. Meta also said it's working with the companies across the industry on technical standards for identifying AI-generated content, including C2PA and IPTC. Nvidia has held talks about making custom data center chips for tech companies like OpenAI and Google. The chip maker has discussed creating the custom chips for Amazon, Meta, Microsoft, Google, and OpenAI, while also targeting other sectors like telecom and automotive. It's not clear whether part of the trillions asked by Altman will be also put into Nvidia pockets to build custom data chips for OpenAI itself. While Nvidia's H100 and A100 chips serve as generalized AI processors, tech companies are now developing specialized internal chips for their specific needs, which can lower energy use and reduce costs. Nvidia is launching a new business unit that designs bespoke chips, including AI chips, for cloud computing companies and others, and is working to help the companies create their own bespoke AI chips for optimal power and cost efficiency. Custom computing solutions are likely needed over Nvidia chips to get the right kind and mixture of computing. As it races to compete with OpenAI's ChatGPT, Google has renamed its Bard AI chatbot to Gemini, launched a Gemini digital assistant for mobile, and finally rolled out Gemini Ultra. Bard is no more, as Google fully embraces the Gemini name across its AI products. The company is also launching Gemini as a digital assistant on mobile, which will enable users to do things like point the phone's camera at something and ask Gemini questions about it. Android users can opt in and replace the Google Assistant on their phones with Gemini, while iOS users can access the Gemini Assistant through the Google app. Lastly, the company is launching a new Gemini Advanced subscription tier as part of Google One that will let users finally access the most advanced Gemini model, Ultra 1.0. The GPT-4 competitor has already secured the third spot on the Chatbot Arena leaderboard as Gemini Pro, surrounded by GPT-4 variants. Gemini Ultra is fast. Users find its response time notably quicker than GPT-4. Additionally, unlike GPT-4, Gemini Ultra doesn't seem to have a usage cap, and the integration with Gmail, Maps, and potentially more Google services is seen as a significant advantage over the OpenAI's chatbot, but it sometimes refuses to perform simple tasks. It frequently forgets the context of the conversation, and its Imagen 2 powered image generator produces lower quality images compared to competitors like DALL-E or Midjourney. Likely Gemini is going to improve in the next month, though. Separately, Google also launched a new AI-powered image generator, ImageFX, a competitor to Midjourney. It introduces a prompt-based user interface with expressive chips for creative exploration. enabling advanced image generation and offering unique features for user experimentation in AI-driven visual content creation. Google also uses Gemini-powered fuzzer to save hundreds of hours of bug fixing. Google has recently started using language models to help it find and spot bugs in its C++, Java, and Go code. Specifically, it has recently started using a large language model based on its Gemini model to successfully fix 15% of sanitizer bugs discovered during unit tests, resulting in hundreds of bugs patched. Along with describing these results, it has also released software for generating bugs in C++ code. The Allen Institute for AI has released its Open Language Model, a state-of-the-art open language model, indeed, which offers training and experimentation frameworks on Hugging Face and GitHub. It includes variants at 7 billion and 1 billion scales trained on 2 trillion tokens with full training data, model weights, and evaluation codes. Allen.ai claims it to be a state-of-the-art, truly open large language model and framework. Open Language Model is intentionally designed to provide access to data, training code, models, and evaluation code necessary to advance AI through open research, to empower academics and researchers to study the science of language models collectively. You can learn more on Allen.ai's dedicated technical blog and by reading the relative OLMO paper on archive.org. OLMO, Accelerating the Science of Language Models. Great folks, it's all for today. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. See you the next time. Bye.